Is it going? Yeah, okay. All right, Ann, show us. I'm gonna go this way. Show us about how you scramble up this rock. Yeah, come on. Okay, go past me.
Doing the pictures?
I think you should stand up though.
I know, that's you can walk up that rock.
Go ahead, go past.
Walk.
There's Ian. This one. Oh, Pam!
That's not funny.
Oh.
That is...
Look. Oh, my backpack rolled down the mountain. Pam's got it. Okay. All right, Ian. Here's Ian going up the face of the mountain. This isn't the worst part. She'll get much better scrambling. Keep going. This one's for your dad. Hi, Maddie. We take your daughter on dangerous hikes all the time. Hope Ann shows you this on Facebook. She's been near death a number of occasions, but it's okay. She grows as a person. 51 and having fun.